Good evening. Tonight we continue our special on the witch craze that has engulfed Essex, and now as a result of one of England's largest witch trials, some 14 witches are to be hanged, as we announced exclusively last night. As promised, tonight we have joining us Matthew Hopkins. Welcome to A Peasant Affair. It is said that the only reason so many witches confess at these trials is due to the illegal torture methods that you have used, such as sleeplessness and walking them until their feet blister, which would tame any wild beast, and the swimming test under parliamentary investigation. What say you, sir?
The witches do come of themselves, the devil, persuading many of them to come of their own accord to be tried. Persuading them, their marks are so close they shall not be found out, so as divers have come 10 or 12 miles to be searched of their own accord, and hanged of their labour.